the announcement by the Honorable Union Minister that there is a proposal to set up a nuclear power plant in Goa is clearly a recipe for disaster. It's a recipe for disaster to finish Goa. All over the world, since the time nuclear reactors were set up, since 1954, questions have been raised about the safety and the potential dangers. We should not forget, not in the distant past, in 1986, Chernobyl leakage which took place, killing several people and radiation affecting thousands others. The plant was closed. In 2011, in Fukushima, Japan, there was another major incident, following which Japan, an advanced country, shut down all its 54 nuclear power plants. Doesn't India learn lessons from other nations? Doesn't India wish to consider the dangers and threats to its citizens? Does the Union government and the BJP think that we citizens of India are mere pawns who are commodities, and that for the sake of few pieces of silver which you want to eat as commission, to make fast buck, you just throw a nuclear power plant in our beautiful Goa? This is clearly a roadmap to finishing Goa. Whilst on the one hand, the government of Goa itself is fast-tracking the complete destruction of Goa, the setting up of a nuclear power plant will put the final seal on the lid to Goa's destruction and finally making Goa a ghost town where people will flee from this place and nobody will ever come back to this beautiful paradise. We will oppose this nuclear power plant. We will ensure that this nuclear power plant does not come, and we need to get rid of the BJP, which is trying to bring all these things to finish off Goa by hook or by crook.